this is for the person that thought they had everything they wanted.
Right. This is definitely a different type of barbecue pit.
From luxury outdoor kitchens to grills we've never seen before, these were the products that stopped us in our tracks at HPB Expo, the biggest outdoor living, grilling, and a fireplace trade show in North America. Solid fire pits. What if your backyard fire pit and grill wasn't just a place to gather, but a true work of art? Inspired by geometry, craftsmanship, and creativity, Solid Fire Pit's products are designed to be more than just functional. They're one-of-a-kind centerpieces that bring people together and are built to last a lifetime.
A geometric sandbox with limitless possibilities. We got 6 levels on the grill, double XL model, the 42-inch diameter, and we got a minimum of 3 levels on the small. This is a plasma cut, and then the premium option is the laser cut 316L food grade stainless steel. It's the best of the best. Didn't even try to see what 304 would be like. This is the 316L. It has added molybdenum, so it has a more corrosion resistant and high heat resistance.
This is great. This little swivel right here. I see this at our lake house. We built a little fire pit in the ground, but this makes a lot more sense for us to be able to have a permanent structure. If we can plant it in the ground, we can pretty much make this hurricane proof, because you got to consider when the storms roll in. I like the fact that this is marine grade, so we got that salt water that's constantly going to be hitting it, and this isn't going to rust away.
I'm just trying to provide the most value possible in every way.
Tiki Brand takes a different approach. They take the traditional smokeless fire pit and turn it into a complete cooking system. Their larger smokeless fire pit, paired with a cast iron grill and griddle combo, lets you cook everything from steaks to breakfast all over the same fire. Simple, versatile, and built for real backyard use.
This is these are smokeless grills.
Tiki Brand smokeless fire pits.
What makes it smokeless?
So what
kind of sorcery is this?
So there's holes on the bottom, and then these holes you can see on the top. The smoke is going to build up on the bottom, disperse through those holes on the bottom, but then any excess smoke is going to come up and have a secondary burn in those extra holes at the top. Instead of having the smoke burning right here, you're going to see a little bit of smoke at the top. And that's how it's going to actually just disperse the smoke so you don't actually see it. So that way when you're sitting around the fire, it's not hitting you in the face, it's already 5 feet up in the air. They come with a weatherproof cover, a stand, and an ash pan. Simply slide it out, and then you dump the ashes. And then our smallest pit, which is what we're burning, you just pick it up, and those legs have the ash pan built in for it.
So I see this one actually has a grill.
So we have many accessories. So you have accessories for a screen, poker, and then this is a griddle that sits right on top of the screen. But when you're ready to cook, you simply put the grate down. You can make whatever you need on it.
So you can griddle here and you can grill here.
You can griddle there, you can grill here. And take that off. And now you've got a full flat top griddle.
And this is the largest one you'll make?
That's the largest one. This is our smallest, and then our medium size is right behind you. We also sell these tabletops on top. You simply just take it off, and then it's going to look like these two that you have here.
Charnwood. Their smart burn technology actually reads the fire in real time, automatically adjusting airflow for the cleanest, most efficient burn possible. No guesswork. Just load it, light it, and let it do the rest.
All right, so everything else seems to be getting intelligence. Why wouldn't wood burning be one of them? So this is Charwood. This is Chris. Chris is going to show us a little bit about intelligent wood burning.
So this is the Charnwood E700. As soon as I open it, you see the light. The stove now knows the door's open. Air's coming in because of draft, obviously. Put it in there. Now every disc in this system is open. These are my 3 dampers. We have 1, 2, and 3. And it's trying to light the wood as fast as possible because, as we know, less smoke, more efficient. So it wants to light it as fast as possible, and once it sees it, there is a little sensor. You see that little circle disc in there? And that is an infrared sensor that is designed to look at an efficient coal bed. It will slowly start to take into consideration what it's looking at and making adjustments to all 3 of these dampers to optimize the burn. You have every bit of information you would want off of this stuff.
The Outdoor Plus brings a whole new experience to outdoor cooking. Their Korean-style barbecue table is built around connection. Everyone gathered around, cooking together, sharing the moment. It's not just grilling, it's dinner, conversation, and the experience all happening at the same time.
So we're just sitting at this this Korean-style barbecue table. This
Yeah,
is like an outdoor
great-
patio table.
Exactly. It's a great for family gathering, you know, and that's the vegetable side, and that's the meat side if you want. Around, you cook your own food and eat. And
Same thing
enjoy
over here,
some-
vegetable side.
Yeah.
So I would make sure that I was sitting right here because I ain't sitting here. That's got to be the worst seat in the house. My wife and kids can sit here. I'm going to sit here. Okay. Control it all from here.
Sizes? We can custom it to any
okay.
size you like it. And that's made of aluminum, by the way.
Okay.
You can get a different color.
We have an outdoor pavilion, so we have a big covered area, but this would be really fun just to have this table, have the family sit around in the evening and us have just cook our own stuff the way that we like it and just take it right off the grill and on the plate. This is really neat. Just a different way to have a social meal with the family.
You can, if you change the burners, you can make it like a fire pit instead of a barbecue.
This is a different experience that you would have barbecuing with the friends, family, whoever.
Barbecue takes that same social idea and puts everyone on their feet. Their bar height grills are designed to be gathered around, keeping everyone close to the fire, cooking, talking, and part of the moment. It's less about one person grilling and more about everyone being involved.
So this little island is a grill in and of itself, huh?
Yeah, it is.
So you're you're cooking the pineapple right here.
We're cooking.
So somebody would just come and pull up a bar stool, have a social event, and you can cook on top of here or over
Eventually,
here.
he could have actually also help me if he likes.
Ah, there you go.
Most of the times there's only one fool behind the grills, and that's me.
There you
But
go.
the others can gather, I can slide it to the other side, and people can enjoy it.
This is a different setup.
Yeah,
like I said.
tier one.
And what's this material? It's made to look kind of rustic already.
Yeah, it's important steel, so it's actually a combination of steel and copper, and due to the reaction of the copper to the steel, it starts rusting. And rusting creates a protective layer, so it can stay outside in all weather conditions.
And this is more the gaucho style grill.
That's the gaucho style. That's the Argentinian grill, where you also use your woods, you turn it into charcoal, you create your own heat zone.
You got your little crank that brings it up and down right there.
Pull it up, pull it down.
That's just fun. That's just fun to do.
It's fun to play around.
Yeah.
A little bit of,
Around, take a look at what you got on this side.
yes.
Oh, look at that.
Skin on, just touching the flames, touching the fire and the heat. We have some sausages, some pork chops. Which
Yeah, I
are
might have
frying.
to stick around for that salmon. That's
That's a good idea.
that's a good idea, huh?
Go and a half, so it will feed a lot of people.
Awesome. Well, great.
Europe, so we're a Europe-based company.
Okay.
So
In what country?
Belgium.
Okay.
We're Belgium-based.
All right. Videoing and nobody saved me any sausage, so good stuff.
If you're into this kind of stuff, make sure you're subscribed. We've got a lot more coming. And if you want to check out any of these products, we've got them linked over at builtbayou.com/links. Challenge your designs. Imagine your entire outdoor kitchen cabinetry showing up already built with the exact specifications of your chosen grill in mind. That's exactly what Challenger Designs does. They design it, build it, and deliver it ready to go. High quality, built right, without the headache of a full build out.
So what do we got here? You got, looks like some outdoor kitchen cabinets. Tell me about them.
We're with Challenger Designs. We make all aluminum outdoor kitchens. We take care of all the design work, all the hassle. Fully finished and assembled product is delivered, ready for installation. Makes super easy. All you have to do is join it on site.
So I have a space in mind. I have the dimensions. I know what appliances I want to put in there, what grills. I just give you the product that I'm looking for doing, and y'all will have the specs that I need and build out the base cabinet for me.
That's exactly right. We have 2 in-house designers. They can take care of all the layout work for you. Through our retail partners, you can create a space to fit your needs.
So what makes it different? Is it just the quality of the build? Are y'all doing something different than some of your competitors are doing, or are you just
Absolutely.
you just feel you're doing it better or similar, or are you competing?
Absolutely. Over the years, we continue to refine the product. Being all aluminum, it's never going to rust or warp in the space. We're showing our next generation of product today.
Are these like a rubber gasket, or that's
Yes.
basically sealing it? So,
Absolutely.
So that's keeping all the bugs and all the critters
All the elements
outside.
out. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. And when you shut the door, you get a nice solid
So it's
seal.
like almost like closing a refrigerator.
That's
You just
exactly
get
right.
that seal. The drawers are the same way.
And there's actually a detent clip in the back of the drawer, so that when you shut the drawer, it snaps against that gasket.
You got something for everybody here.
That's right.
So even have the outdoor dog bowl, and you can put the food up here and above and have it all nice and fresh. So if I wanted this, it comes in how many different colors?
So we have a number of colors to choose from. So these are our standard finishes. We also have a full custom color program to offer if you have something specific you're looking to match.
Great product, beautiful product, really
Thank you
well
very much.
constructed
Thank
product.
you.
So
Yeah, we're trying to take the aesthetic of an interior product,
absolutely,
made out of more robust materials.
Look, I'm looking at the stainless steel. This is super clean looking too. So
Yeah,
this
we
is
do
really
all
nice.
this in-house. So
Okay.
raw materials come in, finished product goes out the door.
Yoke grills. What if your Kamado style charcoal grill could instantly become a propane grill without replacing it? That's exactly what Yoke does. Drop-in system that transforms your existing setup into something faster, more flexible, and easier to control. It's not a replacement grill. It's a smart, convenient upgrade to the one you already own.
This product will integrate into your large size Komodo grills. So that's your Komodo Joes, your Big Green Eggs. It's a drop-in insert with propane, but it's also removable. Camping
so
with
you can like, it's a standalone.
Exactly, standalone, and it kind of lends more use to your Komodo grill.
Okay.
And it kind of makes it more useful for everyday grilling. If I want a quick grill, I don't want to stoke up the charcoal. I kind of reserve that for longer cooking sessions on the weekends with
All right.
parties. So it kind of makes it more useful.
So that's the yoke.
Right.
This is the cocoon.
We call this the cocoon.
All right, am I saying that right? Cocoon.
It's unlike any grill cover you've ever seen. Fire-resistant zippered base. A lot of times the grill covers, they all have the same downfall: weather infiltration and pests. So you'll get animals, you'll get insects. With the zippered base, it blocks all that out. This version in particular has a removable top, because a lot of times people store their tools or equipment inside the Komodo, pop it open, do that without having to remove the whole thing.
All right, and what's this thing right here?
These are add-on air filters.
Y'all just took an existing product on both spectrums and
Exactly.
just found a way to make it better.
Exactly. We're kind of trying to make more use out of your stuff that you already have.
InGrill makes Colombian-style barrel smoker grills built around traditional live fire cooking, but engineered for control. These grills are designed for slow combustion, giving you consistent heat, using less charcoal, and producing very little smoke. So instead of fighting the fire, you're controlling it, in whether you're grilling, smoking, or even baking. And because of that, the food comes out tender, juicy, and with that clean, unmistakable smoked flavor. It's a more efficient, more controlled way to cook over fire. At the end of the day, it's not just about the grill, it's about the experience around the fire. And these are the ideas pushing outdoor living to the next level. We also saw some incredible home fire features at the show. We'll break those down in the next video.